Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to post a video or a photo post on the RedNote app on your iPhone. So if you recently joined the RedNote app, moving over from TikTok, then let me show you how to post a video or a photo on the RedNote app. So before you begin, first go to your app store. Here you're searching for the RedNote app. Make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now, once you open the app, you'll be on the home section, which is For You page. Now, if you want to post a video or a photo, go ahead and tap on the plus sign here at the bottom. Now from here, you can go ahead and choose video, photo, or maybe a live photo. I'll go ahead and find a photo which I want to post. Then tap on next. Now here, you'll be able to add filters. You can add text, you can add stickers, you can crop the image, you can apply many more settings to your image. At the top here, you can go ahead and choose the music you want to apply to your post. Now, once you're happy, you want to go ahead and tap on next. Go ahead and add your text or a title. You can go ahead and add a location. Next, you can also choose if you want it to public or private. And here you can go ahead and tap if you want to save this to your photo album or not. So save it to your device. Now, once you're happy, go ahead and tap on preview here at the bottom left before posting. So this is how it will look like in the RedNote app. Once you're happy, go ahead and tap on post. And this will post your first photo or video post on the RedNote app. So there you go, guys. That is how to post a video or a photo on the RedNote app using your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.